touch. Come on, line up for another round. Girl, you know.
Hey, Ivy, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So hello everyone, my name is Ivy, the social media manager of LAFTEE channel. And currently I'm almost 20, definitely Gen Z. And I'm studying a business administration majors, but I have passion for creative or something about creative and marketing. Currently I'm a person with perfectionist, and it's very take time for me to post something because I have to review it many times. And a little bit by myself that I'm a shy person, introvert person, so I'm not really good about talking in front of people and especially talking in English. So I'm trying a lot, and one thing that I'm a foodie, so I really love eating. And Vietnamese has many kinds of food, so yeah, I will try many kinds of food and introduce, recommend to all of you guys here. So follow me, and
What do you like to do for fun?
when we have free time, I and my friends will eat street food. For example, milk tea, rice, pickle salad, or spicy noodles. And actually, we are not planning about what we're going to eat when we're at home, but we will go out, and the first street food vendors we saw first. So maybe it look delicious, and there's a lot of people sit there. We will to eat at that street food vendors. And I and my friend like to go to the shopping mall because you can see we are girls, so we really focus on appearance and clothes. So when we go window shopping, we can change up a new jeans or put a new clothes for a new style. And flowers mall have many things like bowling games, or we can also watching movies, and it's something that when we are feel hungry, and actually this is about motivation, that when I see a clothes that I really want to buy, but I consider that I need to use my budget for another purpose. So I would see that clothes as a motivator or motivation for me to work hard in school and try to make money. So one day I will buy that clothes. And as you can see, the temperatures is hard in Saigon, so maybe the shopping mall is the place so for you to like escape from the heat and humidity. Go to the coffee shop to study, study date. And sometimes we go to the coffee shop for playing board games such as like Uno and Message. So it's really fun, and maybe us relax sometimes when we are work hard and study hard. Vietnamese has a strong cafe cultures, so that well, almost the corners of Vietnam have many lots of coffee, so that is also the convenient point for it to easy to access. No, easy to come to the cafe shop to meet each other and chat into. Câu hỏi con hả?
Yeah. Xin lỗi. Okay. Bác sẽ hỏi. Is there a place that you would like to go within the next 10 years? Any kind of places you want to visit?
Actually, until now, I haven't had a full list about the country that I want to visit. But right now, I want to visit to Japan because I want to wear a kimono and see a cherry blossoms. And I heard that March is the best time to go to see a cherry blossoms. And I see the houses and infrastructure of Japan is different from Vietnam, so I'm really curious about that and want to see that in person. And about food, so I want to experience all kind of noodle in Japan, like soba, ramen, and I think it's really delicious. I think so. Another place that I want to visit that is Maldives Island. And just imagine that you relax there, you have a trip there, and when you open the doors in the mornings, it's a clear white blue appears in front of your eyes, and you can dive in the Maldives to see a colorful fish. Colorful fish is really chill and beautiful and expensive too. So I will consider it for sometime or when I have a lot of money.
What do you like about living in Saigon or in Vietnam in general?
Definitely, that is about people here. They are friendly, kind, and warm. Um, and another activity that I really like about them that is the way they celebrate events or we call it the battle for sport events. It's really famous for the foreigners, so maybe you can search it on the internet to see. And I actually joined a, celebration concert. And at that concert, we sang, danced, and share umbrella with the strangers. So it's really nice. And actually, that is the real moment that when I rode on the street, rode my motorbike on the street, they will like um at that moment for at that moment I forgot to fold my bag, so they said that hey, fold your bag. So it's really touched my heart. And they also said that be careful with your phone, maybe it will be stolen. So I think all of this show the friendliness of Vietnamese.
What do you not like about Saigon or Vietnam in general?
I will talk about Saigon because that's where I live now.
Oh, all right. So we had to come inside because it was a little too noisy out there. So tell me, what do you not like about Saigon or Vietnam in general?
Okay, I will talk about Saigon because that is where I live there. So there are two things that I don't like about Saigon. The first thing is hot temperatures, and the second is traffic jams. So originally I'm from Bạc Liêu. That is a small mountain town. So that has a cooler weather, and so that I was thought when I came to Saigon at the first time when I had to go to the university for studying. And actually, I think I recommend to all you guys here that is we should hang out at night in Saigon because at that time the weather is not too cold, not too hot, but it's like suitable for me because I can wear whatever I like without having a cold or fever. And about the traffic jams, I don't know how to say that. Um, Actually, at that moment, my heart's broken because I had to wait in a long line on the street, especially when I'm late for school. And we watched my what like that. And yes, of course, I went to the school late. And um one thing that I want to share with the audience, not only about it that I don't like, just when I across the street, I will raise my hand very high like this. So that's every people they drive motorbike they can see me, so that they will drive slower. So because I have no, I almost had accident. No, almost okay. That is um like every day I drive smoothly on the street, and suddenly the motorbike in front of me they stop immediately. So I'm like I đụng trúng cái đuôi xe của cổ. So and I feel like oh my god, why is that? Xém nữa thì đụng đến tay mẹ rồi. My mom will worry about it if I have an accident. So the reasons inside that is the pedestrian they didn't raise their hand so that I cannot see. So I don't know. I didn't know they were crossing. So, no, they were crossing. So this is my experience. Okay, experience. So that I want to remind you to have a safer safer the way across the line the street. And one thing okay, so when I across the street I will like smile, and I will like nod my head to say that thank you, so that the driver maybe they will nhường đường, so they will happy to nhường đường for you. Okay, so I think this is enough. Enough.
So, what do you think is your strengths and weaknesses as it relates to being in social media and managing LAFTEE?
Actually, the first strings that I think that's the real, because when I post something that is included on my thought honestly, my honest thought, and it's not I do. That is what I experience real in realities. And the second that I no, I always I always have a weird, yeah, WEARD, weird ideas, because it's quite unique, but I'm not sure is it really good for that, so I will call it weird. So about my witness, of course, English. Oh my god, I know the English is really good, but I'm trying to practice a lot, but I still scared. I'm still afraid of speaking English, and yes, and I only use some my words, my vocabularies, and my grammar is are limited. So I want to use some simple words and simple sentence, simple tense, simple grammar to explain or convey my ideas.
So, tell me, what are some topics that we didn't go over or that you would like to share that we didn't have a question about?
I also want to discover the topic about activity that the foreigner can should try in Vietnam. For example, like some activity like wood carving is like an art, and some they should try or experience some local job. For example, taking care of ducks, ducks. COVID. Okay, so I saw it on another platforms. It's really fun and interesting. Actually, I'm Vietnamese, and I haven't ever tried it. So I tried it before, and I want to experience. And I also recommend to the foreigner to experience that activities. Yeah, let's try it.
All right, that sounds great.
Yeah.
We should do that. Hold on, let me put the camera in the center here, and then you can tell the audience anything you want to share, say goodbye, or any words, last words.
I don't want to say goodbye already. Okay, this is the interview from me, and I only share a little bit my point of view. So if you have any question and want to discover or you want to ask me something, just go ahead and like write the comments below the video. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video for LAFTEE channel right there. Bye.
Alrighty, take care. Bye bye.